with Dr. Fuhrman's amazing million nutrient detox plan. There's a big reason why women adore Joel Fuhrman MD's million nutrient detox. It makes aggressive weight loss feel fantastic. In just a few days, people report having sharper thinking, greater energy, and less pain. All of this while melting up to 4 pounds in a 24-hour period. What's the secret? Filling up on a range of micronutrient-dense plant foods, such as the juiciest berries, melon and tomatoes of the summer, as well as corn, pasta salad, and banana ice cream. It's delightful and the healthiest thing you can do for your body. Many doctors are adamant about the food habits they adhere to. Do you want an unbiased opinion on how effectively the doctor's plan is meeting its objectives? Researchers at the National Institutes of Health, or the NIH, chose to examine 2 popular diets: a high-carb, low-fat, plant-based diet like Dr. Fuhrman's, and a high-fat, low-carb keto diet. The study's findings were astounding. In a facility with sophisticated testing equipment, participants were served huge meals and encouraged to eat as much as they desired for 2 weeks. While eating plant-based meals, think tacos with fiber-rich fruits, oats, and beans, every day people naturally consume 550 to 700 less calories than during the 2 weeks eating keto choices like omelets and tuna salad. What surprised the researchers was that people who ate a plant-based diet lost 3 times more weight than those who ate keto. In fact, following the keto diet resulted in muscle and water loss. Future research is needed to figure out how plants burn fat and protect muscle, but Dr. Fuhrman is confident that microscopic compounds will be credited in the end. Eating mostly unprocessed plant foods provides 20 times more vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, enzymes, and phytochemicals than almost any other diet. It also contains the most diverse type of these micronutrients, as well as enough fiber to keep you feeling full without consuming too many calories. Put together, it's the formula for optimal health. Dr. Fuhrman claims that his strategy reduces the risk of eczema, joint discomfort, heart disease, dementia, and cancer. That's on top of the fact that it's an effortless approach to weight loss. In fact, one Harvard study found a higher micronutrient intake was the only factor setting a lean woman apart from a heavier twin. So how do micronutrients help you slim down? Vitamin C speeds fat burn, starch in beans inhibit fat storage, berries lower blood sugar, and the list goes on. Plus, there are hundreds of beneficial compounds in plants yet to be discovered. The University of Georgia backs up the doctor's claim that combining micronutrients is the key to success. It turns out that when micronutrients collide, they frequently transfer electrons, considerably enhancing their impact. According to studies, a combination of 3 antioxidants is up to 346% more powerful at destroying fat than a single molecule on its own. What you don't consume on his plan is equally important according to the doctor. Processed foods and oil, he claims, not only induce excessive hunger and weight gain, but also spike blood sugar, clog arteries, and cause hormone disorders. A normal American diet might make you miserable, angry, and constantly hungry. If you are liking this content and would like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so that you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Joan Smith's reflux, restless leg syndrome, severe allergies, and exhaustion have only gotten worse as a result of pandemic stress. In the hopes of improving her nutrition, she began cooking a dish she found on Dr. Fuhrman's website. She shed 20 pounds in 2 months simply doing that, and then she signed up for one of his detox challenges. She ate fruit salads, chili, bean burgers, and more, and she adored it. She was shocked by how soon she began feeling so much better. All of her problems had vanished in just a few weeks. After years of falling asleep in front of the TV every night, this diet was like a spiritual hug. Her moods and anxiety improved dramatically. She had so much energy. She felt fantastic. She went from a size 16 to a size 10 after losing 45 pounds. It's the best thing she's ever done, and she strongly recommends Dr. Fuhrman's plan to any woman who wants to reclaim her life, get healthy, and lose weight. On Dr. Fuhrman's Detox, you can consume as much non-starchy vegetables, fresh or frozen fruits, and beans as you want. These meals are nutrient-dense and delightful thanks to summer produce. Daily extras are optional. 2 whole grain servings, vegetables that are high in starch, half an avocado, 2 ounces nuts or seeds, 2 tablespoons dried fruit, plant seasoning-based herbs like vinegar with mustard. Animal products, processed food, oil, and sweets should be avoided. Here's an example of a menu. Breakfast. Add nut milk or coconut water to a bowl of berries and chopped fruit. Nuts are optional. Lunch. Fill warm corn tortillas with beans, veggies, avocado salsa, and pumpkin seeds. Dinner. Toss bean-based pasta with hummus and veggies to taste. Top with herbs. Dr. Fuhrman's Easy Nice Cream is one of his most popular recipes. Take half a cup of walnuts, 2 ripe bananas frozen in chunks, and 1/3 cup of any plant milk. 1 tablespoon vanilla bean powder, or for best flavor, vanilla extract. In a blender, blitz walnuts to a fine powder. Add remaining ingredients, blend until smooth. Serve it immediately or store in freezer. It serves 4. Always consult a doctor before starting any new diet plan. If you are interested in purchasing Dr. Fuhrman's Eat for Life book, the link is in the description, along with some other great weight loss products. Thanks for watching.